Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix VGK sys error Valorant or League of Legends Windows 11. We are going to enter the word edit in the search box, open Edit Power Plan. In the window that opens, go to Power Options. After this, click on the line, choose what the power button does. There, click on the line, change settings that are currently unavailable. Now uncheck the boxes, sleep and lock, click on Save Changes. After this, open the command prompt console as administrator. Confirm by clicking Yes. There, you are going to execute the command that you see on the screen and that you find in the description of the video. Finally, you are going to restart the system to correct the error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.